Hello guys.
Yes, sir.
Student from Obingwa, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have all your certificates ready now. I sir.
Thank you, sir. Finally, God don't do it for me.
Ndubisi Michael.
Nah, me, we know they too. I swear.
After one papaya.
Hey, miracle no retire Jesus.
Morgan Anthony.
Okay.
MIDOSKEY.
Sam here.
Sure. I finally gotten my certificate after 7 years.
What God does not exist.
Jesus.
It's not easy, guys. Congratulations to me. Congratulations. I've gotten my certificate. Can't you see, guys? After 7 years, it's not easy. If it's easy, do them.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, we don't transfer.
Okay, come now. You never pay me.
Thank you for waiting. This thing we are currently an fancy and successful certification.
Wait till this one. Now certificate I go chop. Money.
Madam, I'm a graduate. No provoke you. See, go and check my zodiac sign. No provoke you. You better go because you want. Certificate don't be for your pocket. Very wicked man. I feel black. That's a get away from me. No get money. Come and get out. Get out better from you.
See you graduate for Nigeria. In Nigeria they do graduate. Come on, I beg. Blood of Jesus.
Sarity know the work now. The thing no fit give me anything. I no future with this thing what you give me. After all my 7 years I've spent in this school.
This is a certificate. You can use it to go and look for work in any oil company or any place of your choice.
Okay.
This is your 7 years university. Don't allow it to waste in vain. You need to put more hard work into it. You need to put more effort in order for you to get a job.
Something no balance here. You will need to explain more better. So after spending my seven years here in this university, spending all my money, this thing cannot even buy 1 cup of gari.
I'm giving you the certificate, and that is your qualification to prove that you graduated from that university. Okay.
Now the second one never. This kind of nonsense be this one. I can't even a pen and keep it.